In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard icon at the top of it. Then use this switcher next to Clipboard at the top right corner to activate it, and click on this arrow at the top left one to go back. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also click on Clipboard and paste it by clicking on it here. To pin one of your sentences, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, you can click on the same pen, tap on the sentence and use pin icon instead. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!